When I purchased this go-kart off Facebook Marketplace, the seller told me it won't run. I charge it overnight, turn on the power, there's no light on. This is a Razer Ground Force Fury. So let's open it up and see what happens. After I open it up, immediately I see there's a broken line. This one, right? This one is supposed to connect to there. There. This line is supposed to connect to there. It's broken. And I see this line is a little too short. So let's try to extend this one and reconnect it. See if it will run. So let's just cut off these two lines. Then let's try to solder new wire. Okay, I'm going to solder these two. Any lights on? Let's see if it will run.
Yeah. Remember? Let's make your dad jump.
Okay, ready? Hey, then you're gonna test drive it, okay? Hold on.
Watch out the crazy rocks out of it, okay? Okay.
午后蝉鸣声响，农田里忙碌的人们，汗水在阳光中闪耀着努力的光芒。夕阳下的红霞映照出家的温暖，一家人围坐桌旁，共享着丰收的甘甜。在这田园里，我享受着阳光的拥抱，蓝天白云让我心灵自由飘荡。
Awesome, that's great.
日子过得天晴，